Hey, outside tonight, a really nice Friday night, the final one of January. And as we head into the weekend, a cold front with some weather changes, especially wrapping up one wet week in San Antonio. Let's head outside to the hill and show you how it looks. Fredericksburg Road, top of your screen. Flags are pretty quiet on this Friday night, as are the conditions. We've got a northeast breeze under 10 miles an hour, 57 on the thermometer. The dew point only 3 degrees away. So humidity just under 90%, but I'm not expecting fog tomorrow morning because these north winds are going to be picking up way too much. Whenever you have a windy surface, you cannot develop any fog. So overnight tonight, we're going to stay under the clouds and temperatures will be dropping into the 40s, but barely. I think it's going to be about 49 for the low, and it'll be a mostly cloudy start to Saturday and a very windy one. Here's the front. Most of the rain associated with it, North Texas and East Texas, as well as Louisiana, getting a lot more rain once again. They don't need another drop. But look what winds are going to do with this cold front. It's a rather weak front when it comes to temperatures or, of course, rain. There won't be any of that. But Saturday, winds at 7 a.m. are going to be near 30 miles per hour in the city. New Braunfels, San Marcos, you can see 22 at Hondo. It'll stay there, upper 20s to maybe 25 even at 2 p.m. So I think it'll be through early afternoon and then into the evening hours before those winds begin to die down. Saturday's forecast will be one where we start cloudy, we stay windy through the afternoon, but as we get to about noon hour, say 3 and 4 p.m., then we should start getting some decent sunshine. Again, we won't see rain with this front. Some rain materializes out to the east today. These are river flood warnings from Cuero and Hallettsville down towards the coast, but the last of some light rain and the last of the rain for a while has moved off to the east. You know, when I saw this background, I said, isn't this how it felt in San Antonio earlier this week? I mean, we were just waterlogged. Look at this, 672 in the water gauge for January. In fact, this was one of the wettest months in about 50-something months. I mean, a really long time. And you can see 8.5 is the wettest January on record. And I think we're going to close down at 672 for this January. Boy, the aquifer has seen some really nice action, up only a tenth from yesterday, but look at this since Sunday, 8.5 feet. That's really good. And the drought, we did cut into it a little bit. Remember, we were all in extreme drought last week, and what happened this week, nice little cutout here into severe drought, most of Bexar County, almost all of Comal County, even over to Seguin. This does not include the Wednesday rain. So we'll get another update next Thursday. 7-day forecast, some cold mornings, mainly Sunday, Monday. In fact, 30s on Monday morning, and that'll mean some freezing temps for a lot of you. 49 to 63 Saturday. It's going to be windy tomorrow. Still breezy on Sunday, plenty of sunshine, 64. And that's going to be average for this time of year. Then we're climbing upwards of about 70 middle part of next week.